अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। क्लास 4th सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश, पेज नंबर 68। लेसन का नाम है फ्रॉम एलाइस इन वंडरलैंड। Elias and her sister were sitting on the bank of a river as her sister read a book. She said at once or twice she had looked into the book her sister was reading, but it had no pictures or conversation in it. And what's the use of a book, though, Elias, without pictures or conversation? Suddenly a white rabbit with pink eyes ran close by her. Elias heard the rabbit say to itself, oh dear, I shall be late." Then the rabbit took a watch out of its waistcoat pocket and looked at it, and then hurried on. Elias was surprised, as she had never before seen a rabbit with either a waistcoat pocket or a watch to take out of it. Out of curiosity, she came across the field after it, and saw it go down into a large rabbit hole. In another moment, down went Elias after it. Either the well was very deep, or she fell very slowly, for she had plenty of time as she went down to look about her and to wonder what she was going to happen next. Elias saw cupboards and bookshelves. Here and there she saw maps and pictures hanging on walls. She took down a jar from one of the shelves as she passed. It was labeled orange jam, but she found that it was empty. She did not drop the jar for fear of killing somebody, so she put it into one of the cupboards.